let us have a look how we can implement the single linked list. So, this is our template struct slink is the data type, and there are two different members, one is val, another one is address add. Okay. Now, have a look how we can able to implement the single linked list. Okay. This is add, okay. This is add pointer, this is a pointer variable. Okay. Now, first if we try to insert some value, say for example, we are trying to insert some function, say for example, this is the void function name is ins and there is a variable int x. Now, we are trying to insert this value. So, this is our insert function. So, first what we will do inside we will create a particular head like this way, we will write struct 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 slink and h will be the pointer variable. So, by this what happened in our memory, some space is allocated, okay. This is h and it has some base address, say for example 3000 is its base address. Now, I will initialize h as null because I have not inserted, I have not inserted any node still now. So, initially this is null, this is null. Now, what? Now, we want to insert x. So, for this purpose we will create a variable like k is the variable, k is of struct slink type pointer k, and k will be, I will typecast this value struct struct slink pointer, function name is malloc, and we will calculate the size of, and here struct struct link slink. So, by this what will happen? By this what will happen? Look. So, struct link is the data type, size of is the operator which calculates the size of this data type. Malloc will allocate some memory space, like this. Malloc already allocated some memory space, say for example, at 7000 memory allocation, 7000 is what? It is the base address of the allocated place. So, this part is value, this part is address part. Okay. Now, the base address that is returned by malloc function, and we need to typecast, because whenever we are trying to store any value in our memory, that value always stored in the format of binary, okay, any binary value. But whenever we are trying to store that value inside a data type, so inside a variable or inside a variable, that must be same as the data type. Okay. So, to convert this binary value which is representing the address to its corresponding struct slink type, so we are converting this value into its corresponding type. So, k is now storing the base address of this location, that is 7000. Now, the scenario. The first scenario, in the first case, what we will do? We will check if we will check as there is nothing, no list is created. So, first okay, let us before creating the link, we will what we will do? We will assign here x value you want to assign, here we want to assign a new LL. Okay. Initially, I want to store here. So, k arrow value, this part will be assigned as the x value will be assigned here, and k arrow address part will be assigned as what value? K arrow address part, this address part will be null. So, initially I do not know what will be the next node after this. So, we are assigning this place as null. So, now it is there created. This is our memory map. Now, what is our goal at this point of time? This is pointing this one. Now, what is our goal? Our goal is what? Our goal is to store in this place 7000. Our goal is this one, 7000 you want to store 7000 here, and by this will point this particular value. So, here we will write if what? If h equal null, that means head is null, that means there is no element still now in the linked list. So, we will directly assign the k inside head. Okay. In else case, what we will do? We will copy the head, we will not move. In else case, what is the scenario? Say for example, the scenario is like this. There are some nodes, this is one node here. Say for example, this is 9000. So, 9000 is here. So, this is pointing this one, here value is 10, here value is this is again it is pointing another location, it is pointing this. Say for example, this is 5000. So, 5000 is here, 5000 is here, 5000 is here. Okay. Here value is say for example 15 and this is null. Now, this is the scenario. Now, now this is not there, this particular thing is not there. Okay. This particular thing is not there. So, what value is there? Just have a look. So, here I want to assign some now this is the scenario. We have we want to insert 100 value. Okay. We want to enter 100 value. What value we want to enter here? We want to enter 100 value. Okay. 100 value. So, what will happen? I will create again one k. So, k is created at any location by help of this malloc function. K arrow value. So, new location is created. Say for example, a new location, this is created, base address is 8000. The value 100 is assigned, k arrow value equal 100. So, and next part is null. This is the scenario now. This is 8000 is there. Now, pause the video, try to think about the situation. Now, this value 8000 value is stored inside k. Now, what is our goal? Our goal is what? Our goal is to in this place I want to store 8000. Okay. So, how we will know this 8000? We will copy this head and move forward and find out the address part is null, yes or not, and that way. So, in else case what we will do? We will just copy the head here. I will declare an variable like m and copy h inside m. So, here I will again declare m as pointer. Okay. Now, I will check, I will say while m arrow address not equal to null, while m arrow address not equal to null. Okay. We will continue. What we will continue? M arrow address, m means what? 3000. Okay. M is what? 3000, because we have copied head inside m. So, this is our m. Say for example, this is our m having 3000. Now, what? Now, we will move m arrow address. Is it null? No. M arrow address, is it null? No. So, we will just move m equal m arrow address. We will move the address. Okay. M equal m arrow address. So, m arrow address is what? 9000. Now, m value of m will be changed. M is now 9000. So, again this loop will iterate. And again m arrow address is null. M arrow address, that is 5000. No, it is not null. So, m is assigned at m arrow address. M arrow address is 5000. So, this value will be 5000 now. Now, we will check m arrow address. Is it null? Yes, 5000 arrow address, it is null. Then what we will do? We will come out of the loop. And after this loop, after termination of this loop, we will just write here. We will write after termination of this loop. We will just write here. What? We want to assign in this place. In this place means m arrow address part will be assigned as this 8000. So, this 8000 means where 8000 is there inside k. Okay. And by this way we can able to link. So, as it is stored here. So, this 8000 is stored here. So, this is pointing this location, and when you will go out of this function, then the variable will be automatically destroyed, the k variable will be automatically destroyed. Okay. And here will be a bracket. Thank you.